WaterSlide decals have gained immense popularity to enhance various surfaces like ceramics, glass, and even wood with unique and professional-looking designs. To truly bring these decals to life, having a high-quality printer capable of producing vibrant and intricate prints is crucial. Laser printers, with their exceptional print resolution, color fidelity, media compatibility, and longevity, these printers can emerge as the preferred choice for printing WaterSlide decals. With the use of these laser printers, you can attain exceptional precision, vivid colors, and user-friendly functionality, enhancing your decal-making experience with creativity and enjoyment. If you are looking for the best laser printer for WaterSlide decals, which can make your decal design stand out so you can impress friends, family, or clients with professional quality decals, then you have come to the right place. We have listed the best laser printers for WaterSlide decals and their dominant features so that you can make an informed decision. We have also included the link to each laser printer in the description box, so you can purchase them directly without any kind of embarrassment. Number 1 is the HP Color LaserJet Pro 4000 201 DIN printer. The HP Color LaserJet Pro 4000 201 DIN printer is an excellent option for small teams of WaterSlide decals seeking reliable and robust printing capabilities. This cutting-edge color printer provides professional quality prints, showcasing vibrant colors and crisp details at a remarkable speed of up to 35 pages per minute. With its versatile sheet size range from 3x5 to 8.5x14 inches, you can effortlessly print anything from single-page documents to multi-page brochures and flyers. It also provides convenient auto two-sided printing, which makes it ideal for up to 10 individuals while saving you valuable time and money. HP Wolf Pro Security protects your printer against unauthorized access and malicious attacks. Moreover, its compact dimensions of 16.6x 11.3x 16.8 inches ensure seamless integration into any workspace. This printer is designed to work exclusively with original HP cartridges, featuring HP chips and circuitry. For optimal performance, it is recommended to use only genuine HP cartridges. It also offers seamless printing capabilities from various devices, such as mobile devices, PCs, and tablets. With Ethernet connectivity, it ensures easy integration into your network. It is compatible with Microsoft, Mac, AirPrint, Android, Chromebook, and more, allowing you to print from anywhere you desire conveniently. So, to buy this LaserJet printer, check out the link mentioned in the description box below.